Once Buddha was giving a spiritual discourse in a village. In the end, he said that everyone should become like Mother Earth, patient and forgiving. Everyone should be tolerant and forgiving like the Mother Earth. Anger is a fire. In that fire of anger, the person who does the anger and the other person on whom he is angry, both are getting burned. But the person who is angry, he burns himself more. So we should always avoid the anger bit because it's a very dangerous fire. In the crowd, everyone was listening very patiently, but there was a person. He was habitually very angry person. When he heard these words, he thought that Buddha is telling to him. First, he kept listening for few moments, and suddenly he became very angry and started saying that whatever you say is wrong. You are making the people go in wrong path. Your path is wrong and you are wrong. And whatever you are saying, that doesn't matter in today's world. And whatever you are saying is wrong. Because if you don't get angry, then people will take all our stuffs. Anger gives us power. Whatever you are saying is wrong. While you were saying this, he started moving towards Buddha. But Buddha didn't do anything. He kept on watching, looking at him and smiling. That person became more angry and he went ahead and stood in front of Buddha. Buddha said, "Do you want to say something else?" Then that person spit on the face of Buddha and went away. Buddha smiled and just wiped off his face. When that person, angry person, reached his home, he felt what he has done because Buddha was known for his generosity that time. Everybody knew about him. That person felt very guilty. What he did in anger was a very big mistake. He knew it. Whole night he was not able to sleep. In the morning, he got up and went at that place. He found that Buddha is not there. He started searching for him. He asked people that where he is. I want to ask for forgiveness from Buddha. I am repenting. People told that he has gone towards that side. He started moving in that direction in which Buddha had gone, very, very fast. In few hours, he saw that Buddha is resting under a tree. He went and held his feet and said, "Please forgive me, please forgive me, please forgive me." Buddha asked, "Who are you? What happened to you and why are you asking for forgiveness?" That person told, "You forgot I'm the same person yesterday. I misbehaved with you, I abused you, and so many things I did yesterday. Please forgive me. I'm repenting. Whole night I was not able to sleep." Buddha said, "The day which is gone, the time which is gone, leave it there itself. I don't even remember what you said and who you are, and you are still carrying that with you. If you just felt your mistake and you have repented, now you have become pure. You enter and now and become fully present. Bad things and bad incidents, if you remember, your present and future will be destroyed. Because of yesterday, don't destroy your today and tomorrow." That person felt like all his burden is gone. That person held the feet of Buddha and forsaken his anger forever, and he determined that time that forever he will follow the path of Buddha. Buddha put his hand on his head and said that now you are pure. You can walk on the path of love, truth, and kindness, and that person become follower of Buddha. In our life, we can learn from this story that in many time in our life, because of the past mistake, past failures, we tell ourselves that we are a failure and we have done so and so mistakes. We should never do that because all the mistakes are only done when we are not aware. Otherwise, the mistake will never happen. There is not a single mistake anyone has done in the world and he knows what he is doing. Nobody can do that. It is impossible. So just remember this story that whatever you have done, you did it in sleep and now you are awake. You have to be in the present and don't destroy your present and future for because of the past you have done some mistake. And if you live in this way, then you will certainly get all the peace. You'll feel the peace. Anger will disappear, frustration will disappear, dissatisfaction will disappear, and many other things will come in your life which will make you peaceful and happy. So live a happy life, live in present, and forget about the past. Whenever any thought, any thinking related to past comes, remember this story and tell to yourself that past is past and whatever you did because you are asleep, now you are awake and you are in present and you are going to live the life of your dream and you will be successful, you will be happy.